Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Tonya. I am the proud owner of Conglomerate Empowerment, and I'm so excited to be talking to you today. I'm not going to be on here long. I'm just going to give you a little bit of information about marketing, specifically affiliate marketing. It's very important to me. I depend on it highly for the life of my business. It's one of my profit streams. And as of recently, I decided to start a new secure your own bag affiliate marketing program. And what we do is we create win-win scenarios so that if you refer me, not if, but when you refer me and for business services, and then you will get a percentage of whatever I get. The same time that I'm paid, you'll be paid too. But guess what? I don't want you to only refer me and then I don't refer you. Um, my desire also is to make sure that you um, is to make sure that I also refer you, refer your product or services. So then that's really what the affiliate marketing is all about. Um, I have several affiliate marketing partners, and that's already a part of the SYOB program. And I want to thank all of you for signing up. I want to thank all of you for believing in me. These are people that I've known for a while. These are people that I bought products from myself. So because I'm not going to refer someone to you that I don't trust. And that's important to me. As a matter of fact, I have an affiliate link also for someone who has over 7,000 Facebook group, and she'll do interviews and she'll do all types of marketing with you for your company. Now, at the conclusion of this little talk that I'm having today, this mini class I'm having today, I'm going to drop that affiliate link inside the comments. And I also have an affiliate link for people who want to create their very own landing pages. You can do it yourself. Takes about maybe 2 or 3 minutes for you to do it. I'll drop that link in there also. So when it comes down to affiliate marketing, you always got to let people know upfront, look, I'm sharing this link with you, but I want you to know full transparency is that I will get a small bit of the money, on the back end if you decide to hire the person, if you decide to buy that product. And that's really what's important to me, that we do things that we support each other. All right. So affiliate marketing is just that. Is when you will get a link from, and when I say a link, I mean like a link that you can click on and review the product, review the service, and then pay. And then the person that shares that link with you has an affiliate marketing partnership with that particular business. That's what it's all about. And it's a win-win scenario. I thank God that over the last maybe 15 plus years that I've been in business, um, most of my clients came from word of mouth. I didn't spend any money on marketing. As a matter of fact, I didn't really start spending money on marketing until about maybe 5 years ago, to be honest with you. So I highly depend on marketing, other people talking about the services that we've actually done for them, and then they're referring other people. Okay. So I rely on that real heavily. But I also believe that if you think enough of me to actually refer me, you deserve something back from me in gratitude. I don't know who's listening, but I want to welcome you to my little mini class on affiliate marketing. And I have the SYOB program, affiliate program, and I'm looking for some more partners, but I'm just not looking for any kind of partner. Um, my desire is to really be with people that are that operate integrity, be with people that do what they say they're going to do, and that provide quality products and quality services. So that's what's important to me, because that's what I do in my business, and I want the same thing also for you. So I'm just not going to let everybody join, but if you have a good product, a good service, then let's create this win-win scenario, and that's really what affiliate marketing is all about. And when I was putting together this small talk today, I was thinking about the different ways that people can use affiliate marketing in order to increase their profits in their businesses. I already mentioned one is when you make a referral and I make a referral, we refer each other. So that's one way. But another way is to really just create a video on your product or create a video about your services. And, just a small video. It could be a 30-second commercial. And then what you'll do is you'll put your the affiliate links, okay? The affiliate links, you'll attach it to that particular video. And guess what? People that are interested in buying those products and services, they'll go ahead and do it. And the great thing about referring people like myself and others, in the group is that through affiliate marketing, I'm not doing any of the work. So like when I say I'm going to drop the link for you to be able to do an interview on a 7,000 member platform, Facebook group platform, and then this person has television shows, all types of things. When that person actually gets paid, I get paid at the same time. And I'm not doing any of the work. The other person is doing all of the work. So that's another way to think about it. I also think about like the YouTube videos. I have a couple of YouTube channels. It's Mucho Dinero with Dr. Tonya B, and it's also BT Adventures _Globe. Those are my two YouTube channels. And I could just be like going on a trip, like my husband and I getting ready to go on a trip 2 weeks from now. I could be going on a trip. I could just be sharing footages about, footage from what we've been doing, pictures from what we've been doing, maybe a little bit of live interviews, what have you, and on that travel, on that trip. And then in the YouTube community, you could actually take your affiliate links and, full transparency. No, these are affiliate links. You want people to know these are affiliate links, and you could just drop all the links, on there and explain what each one of those links is about, and you can attach that to your YouTube video. So that's another way that you could, and you know what? That's another way that you could make money, that money could be coming into you, and here I am on a vacation, but I'm also saying, okay, by the way, I'm a business developer, I'm a business coach. And if you want to, here are some other links that could help you do whatever you need to do. There's nothing wrong with doing that. And that doesn't cost anything. That's another thing. Referring good people that have good businesses does not cost us anything. Absolutely nothing. And I'm a believer that whatever I make happen for others, God makes happen for me. That's one of the reasons why I've made so many referrals over the last 15 plus years. I'm still making a referral. Like today, if you want more visibility for your business, for your product or your services, I recommend that you do use the link that I'm attaching, so you can go ahead and get those interviews done. And here's another thing. You could get those interviews, pay to get the interviews done with the person, do the interviews, get a copy of the video, put it in small little, chop it up in small little links. And then you could just drop those videos all over your social media platform. And if you wanted to, you could put your links that you sell, the products and services, and you could also put the links that I have. I'm like I said, I'm a business developer, I'm a business coach, and if you could drop that on there too. Say if you need any coaching, business coaching, here's a person that I recommend. So just so many different ways to make money through affiliate marketing. Some people do. And I see some of the people that I work with do this also, where they'll buy a product or service and they'll use that product or service and they give their review on that product or services. But you know what else they do? They go to Amazon. That's right. And they set up a store, right? And when they set that store up, they actually get back a piece of the money every time when a person buys those product or services. So they do the review. So they either get the product or they either get the product or the service for free, right? Most of the time, sometimes you do have to pay. And then they do the review. And then if they say, you know what, this is a good product or services and you believe in it, you like it, you put the affiliate link from Amazon on there. And that's another way to get paid. So affiliate marketing is vast. Affiliate marketing can bring in a whole lot of money for a whole lot of different people. To be honest with you, like I said earlier, my partners have been, just sending me people over the years and saying this person needs that, this person needs that, different things. And so when they come, they understand what I do already, because that person who recommended me have already said this is what she does. This is what her company does. This is what she has to offer. So there's not like a haggle on like the payment and what have you for the product and services that we offer. So it is 9:40. I have 5 more minutes. So what I'd like to do is remember, let us support each other. That's so important. I want to offer you the opportunity to be a part of the Secure Your Own Bag affiliate marketing program. And let's just help each other. Let's support each other. Let's create these win-win scenarios. I'm in particular, I'm looking for people that do things for businesses, specific things for businesses. Um, Website developers. It could be counseling. One of the things I've noticed is that, and this is my story, I had to get out of my head, in order to go forward and do the things that God has called me to do in business. And one of the ways that I was able to get out of my head and to get all that cloudiness out was that I actually had to go through like counseling. And so anybody that does like counseling, mental health counseling, that would be a good affiliate for me. Any like accounting, business taxes, business credit, let's see what else, branding, marketing, anything concerning businesses, anything that's unique. Another good affiliate marketing, for me, the people that I want to bring in are people that do anything in the health field, because lots of times we don't go forward in what God has called us to do because we're just not feeling good, and we need somebody to actually be a health coach for us. So anybody that does that, and of course, if you have made if you have made at least, I'm going to say, $1,000 in one day or more in your company, and you are so big on helping other people do the same thing, and you don't mind teaching how you did it to other people, that's coaching, that's consulting. So I'm looking for people that know how to create these money grabbing strategies, so that when I go around the world, we're getting ready to go to Dubai in November, to do the SYOB. So when I go around the world, I have an arsenal of products and services that I can share with people from around the world through the SYOB affiliate marketing program. So I want to thank you for listening to me today. I see that I have 3 minutes left. I want to thank you for listening to me today. My name is Dr. Tonya. I'm a proud owner of Conglomerate Empowerment. I'm a grant writer. I'm a professor. I'm a grandmother. I'm so happy to be a grandmother. I'm a wife, to my husband, Brian, my king. And I have 3 beautiful children. And what else about me that I like? Oh, and I love traveling. That's something that I really do. I love traveling. And I know that I'm called to lead people to their wealthy place. So on purpose, I get up every day and I do different things that I can do in order to put mucho dinero in other people's hands, to really like create ways for people to start accumulating their wealth and to start growing that wealth. Okay. Because after all, this is our time to receive the wealth, right? I know it's my time. It's definitely my times, and I got to feel, if you listen to this video, it's your time too. So have a wonderful day, and I hope you learned a couple of things about affiliate marketing from me, and spread the word. Bye bye now.